The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is a premium mid-size cruiser designed for relaxed riding and long-distance comfort. It blends old-school cruiser aesthetics with modern engineering, making it an interesting option for riders who want something different from mainstream. American cruisers. For 2026, Royal Enfield focuses on refinement, comfort, and ride quality, rather than a complete redesign. Engine and performance smooth twin power. At the heart of the Super Meteor 650 is a 648 cubic centimeters aerial-cooled parallel twin engine. Power, around 46 horsepower. Torque, about 52 Newton-meters. 6-speed gearbox with a smooth, predictable clutch. This engine isn't about aggressive acceleration, it's about smooth torque delivery, effortless highway cruising, and a relaxed riding experience. On American highways, it feels comfortable cruising at speed, making it ideal for long interstate rides and open roads. Chassis and ride quality built for comfort. The Super Meteor 650 uses a steel tubular frame paired with 43mm upside-down front forks, twin rear shocks with preload adjustment for 2026. Spy reports suggest a plusher suspension tune and a thicker, more supportive seat, improving comfort on long rides. This setup gives the bike a stable, planted feel, especially at highway speeds, something cruiser riders in the US really appreciate. Dimensions and ergonomics cruiser comfort. Low seat height around 740mm. Relaxed foot-forward riding position. Wide handlebars and stretched-out posture. Despite its heavy, solid feel, the bike remains approachable for riders transitioning from smaller cruisers. It's comfortable for taller riders and well-suited for long touring days. Features and technology old school meets modern. The Super Meteor 650 currently features semi-digital instrument cluster, Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation system, LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, USB charging port for 2026, a full digital TFT display with better phone. Connectivity is expected, bringing it closer to what American riders expect. In this segment, fuel efficiency and real-world use. Fuel efficiency is estimated at around 55 to 60 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a mid-size cruiser. That means fewer fuel stops, better touring range, lower running costs compared to larger V-twins. How it compares Rebel and Harley alternative. Compared to the Honda Rebel 500, the Super Meteor 650 feels heavier, more planted on highways, more traditional in cruiser character. Against entry-level Harley-Davidson models, it offers a smoother parallel twin engine, lower cost of ownership, strong value for money. It's not trying to replace a Harley, it's offering a different cruiser experience. Final verdict: who should buy it? The 2026 Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is perfect for riders who love relaxed highway cruising, touring enthusiasts on a budget, and those who want classic cruiser style with modern reliability.